when x equals 1/2, what is the value of 8x minus 3 all over x? Give you a second to pause the video if you want to try to work this one out on your own. So this is straight substitution. We know x is equal to 1/2, so all we have to do is substitute that value in for both of our missing x's. So that would be 8 times 1/2 minus 3 all over 1/2. Now I'm going to simplify the numerator first. So 8 times 1/2, that simplifies to be 4 minus 3 over 1/2. And then 4 minus 3 simplifies to be 1 over 1/2. So now sometimes these fractions can get a little tricky. What I normally like to do, since I have a fraction in the denominator, I decide I'm also going to make a fraction in the numerator. So I can make the number 1 a fraction by putting it over 1. So that makes it 1 over 1 over 1/2. Now I go back to my 4th grade math days. If I have a fraction divided by a fraction, I change that division to multiplication and I flip the second fraction. So now 1 times 2 is 2 over 1 times 1 is 1, which simplifies to just be 2. So the correct answer there should be G, which is 2.